If you're looking to configure custom plugins in Tenable Nessus, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up these plugins and enhance your scanning capabilities. Stick around, because I'll also share a bonus that'll help you get the most out of Nessus, free of charge. To begin, Tenable Nessus is a powerful vulnerability scanner, widely used for identifying and managing security risks in your network. Custom plugins, however, take your scans to the next level by tailoring them to your unique environment. So, how do you set them up? Next thing to know, you'll start by creating your custom plugin. Nessus allows you to write custom plugins in Nessus Attack Scripting Language, or NASL. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Plugins section in Nessus. Once there, click on Create New Plugin. Here, you'll choose a script type, such as a local check or remote check, depending on the plugin you want to create. Now that you're creating a new plugin, you'll need to add your custom logic. If you're writing a local check, the script will execute on the target system, whereas a remote check will run from your Nessus scanner. Customizing the script is where things get interesting. You can define the conditions for what the plugin is looking for, such as specific ports, vulnerabilities, or configurations. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing your plugin. After creating your custom plugin, you must test it to make sure it works as expected. You'll want to run a scan targeting a machine or system that the plugin is designed to assess. This test helps verify whether the plugin returns the correct results. Testing also gives you a chance to fine-tune any conditions or logic in a script. The fifth step is to deploy your custom plugin. Once you're satisfied with the results of your testing, you can deploy your plugin across the network. It's important to ensure your scans are updated regularly and that your custom plugins are properly deployed to the appropriate scanning profiles. Finally, let's talk about using Nessus for free. Did you know you can start using this tool, along with the custom plugin functionality, for free from the first link below? With our exclusive bonuses, you can take advantage of a free trial that gives you access to all the features, including custom plugin creation. To wrap things up, now that you know how to configure custom plugins in Tenable Nessus, it's your turn to implement them and make your scans more targeted and efficient. Don't forget, the first link below gives you access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Nessus, so you can dive right in and get started with no risk.